Good day. Today I will find the range, sample variance, population variance, sample standard deviation, population standard deviation. So first I will read the given problem. The scores of the job applicants in the 15-item math exams are as follows: 6, 12, 15, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, and 6. So the formulas are the range is the highest minus the lowest, and the sample variance is equal to the summation of x minus the mean sample of squared divided by n minus 1. And the population variance is the summation of x minus the mean sample squared over n. And the sample standard deviation is the s is equal to the square root of summation of x minus the mean sample squared over n minus 1. And lastly is the population standard deviation. So population standard deviation is the square root of summation of x minus the mean sample squared over n. So let's proceed. We'll find the range. So in range, it is the highest minus the lowest. So the highest is 15 and the lowest is 6. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. So the range is 9. So in finding the mean, we will add all the given numbers and divide it on how many numbers are being given. So 6 plus 12 plus 15 plus 9 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 82. Divided by 9 is equal to 9.1. So let's proceed. So the x is 6, 12, 15, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And here, x minus the mean sample is the x is 6 and the mean is 9.1. So it will become 6 minus 9.1 equals negative 3.1. 12 minus 9.1 is equals to 2.9. 15 minus 9.1 equals to 5.9. 9 minus 9.1 equals to negative 0.1. 10 minus 9.1 is equals to 0.9. 9 minus 9.1 is equals to negative 0.1. 8 minus 9.1 equals to negative 1.1. 7 minus 9.1 is equals to negative 2.1. And 6 minus 9.1 is equals to negative 3.1. So let's proceed. In the x minus mean sample squared, the answer of x minus mean will be multiplied by itself. So negative 3.1 squared is equal to 9.61. 2.9 squared is equals to 8.41. 5.9 squared equals to 34.41. Negative 0.1 squared equals to 0.01. 0.9 squared equals to 0.81. Negative 0.1 squared is equal to 0.01. Negative 1.1 squared equals to 1.21. Negative 2.1 squared equals to 4.41. Negative 3.1 squared is equals to 9.61. So the sum of all number from the mean sample squared is equals to 68.89. So we will proceed in finding the sample variance. So in sample variance, we have a formula. So S squared is equal to the summation of x minus the mean sample squared over n minus 1. So S squared is equal to 68.89 divided by 9 minus 1. So S squared is equal to 68.89 divided by 8. The variance is 8.6 or 9. So let's proceed to population variance. So in finding population variance, we have a formula. Population variance is equal to the summation of x minus mean sample squared over n. So 68.89 divided by 9, the variance is 7.7. So in sample standard deviation, we have also a formula. S is equals to the square root of the summation of x minus the mean sample of squared divided by n minus 1. So S is equal to the square root of 68.89 divided by 9 minus 1. S equals to the square root of 68.89 divided by 8. So the standard deviation is 2.93. So lastly, the population standard deviation, we have also a formula. So population standard deviation is equals to the square root of the summation of x minus mean sample squared over n. So it is equals to square root of 68.89 divided by 9, and the answer is the standard deviation of population standard is 2.77.